Now that the app has been installed, it's time to open it. You'll get a welcome screen where you just simply need to click on enter. Once you have entered, you'll be prompted to select the language. Make sure you select English Philippines or Tagalog, depending on your preference, and click on the confirm button. The next step will be to sign in. To sign in, at the top right, click on the little icon and you should get multiple options. Sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook. With phone number you won't be able to do it, but you can sign in with an email address. In our case, we'll use an email. We suggest for you to use Facebook as it will automatically build more trust with the customers around you. Here I'll just enter my details and set up a demo profile so you can see how it all works. Now that you have signed in, it's time to set up your profile. Simply click on the menu on the top left and click on your picture. That will take you to your profile screen, which at the moment is incomplete. Make sure the language selected is correct and then change your privacy to social. Make sure your privacy level is set to social so that you could build trust with customers. Then update your phone number so that we can contact you and also connect you with customers when needed. Here you enter your current age. This is to ensure that you're over 18 years old. Select your gender. Home address is where you enter your address as per your ID. Simply click on the little pen and then type your street name or building name. You should get a drop-down menu. Make sure you select the appropriate one. Once selected, you'll be asked to complete additional details like street number or unit number. Once filled in, simply click on Save Address. Then About Me section, you can always add a little bit about yourself just to give a better idea to your customers of who you are. Once done, make sure all the details are correct, email address is completed, and click on Done. You have now set up your profile. Now we start your business setup. On the home screen, scroll down until you get to the section where it says Start your BOOKME business today. Then click on the green button, as I do on the screen. It gives you a quick summary of how it all works. Once you've read it, click on the Start Now button. You may get a pop-up asking you to enable your location services. Make sure you do so, otherwise you would not be able to receive bookings. Since we are already signed in or logged in, it would automatically go to the second step, which is upgrade to business. you need to select the service category that you want to be in as a provider, either lifestyle services or transport services. I will select lifestyle services as I'm a massage provider, and since I have already read the terms and conditions, I will tick the box that I understand the terms and conditions and click on the green button after. When you're setting up your profile, please ensure that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions prior to proceeding. Now we need to set up your business profile. Ensure language selected is your preferred language. Currency will be adjusted automatically based on your location. For service category, since I'm doing massage, I would not adjust it as it's already selected by default. Once you have selected the category, you'll need to select the specific services that you provide. For example, I will select aromatherapy, shiatsu and Swedish, as I'm not trained or know how to do any of the other services listed. In the service images part, you can add a professional picture of yourself. Just click on the green plus button and click on the tab and select a picture to upload. You should be able to see the name of the picture appear. Simply click on the blue upload button below it and the picture will be now visible. That means you have uploaded it successfully. Qualification, training and experience. Here you will record the number of years of your experience providing such service as well as any qualifications. In this case I will put 5 years, NC2 certificate and the training certificate number that matches it. I will then simply click on the plus button to add a picture of the certificate. Tap as shown on the screen, select the image that you want to upload. You will see the name appear and click on the blue upload button. ID document. For safety reasons, we need to ensure that we can verify you, and therefore in this section we'll need you to enter the details of a valid ID that contains your picture, and then of course upload the picture of that ID the same way that we did earlier. So enter the ID type and the ID number and then simply click on the plus button, then tap on the section as shown, select the image of your ID and upload again. If you have any licenses from the Department of Health or any other certificates, you can upload them in this section. For example, I will enter the details of my licensed massage therapist ID. And I will upload my ID by clicking on the plus sign and tapping the section on the screen, selecting the image of my ID and simply clicking on upload after. If you have any insurance policy that covers the services that you provide, you'll need to enter the insurance policy details in this section. In the next section, you need to select yes. Reason for this is that one of our partners may need to contact you for any additional details, and they will also be available to assist you with any inquiries that you might have in future. Your sponsor would have given you an email address to enter during setup. In our case, it is andelehomespa@gmail.com. If you entered correctly, the sponsor's name will appear automatically in the sponsor's name field. Next, select I'm self-employed. Double check all your details are correct and put a tick in the box to certify that is all correct. and simply click on Done. You'll be taken to your BOOKME dashboard. For service providers, your business profile will be pending activation. Once it's verified by BOOKME, you'll be activated. To learn how to use the app, please watch the next video of our user guide videos. You can find them on our Facebook page, as well as under the help section on our website www.bookme.ph. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any trouble setting up, please do not hesitate to contact us through our in-app chat or through our Facebook page. Just search for BOOKME app and look for our logo.